when you receive the free foldable VR device from Vantros. Open the lens group and sun visor, ensuring they are at a 90-degree angle, similar to the demonstration video. You will find several sponge stickers after unpack. Attach these sponge stickers to the frame to prevent the phone from slipping. On your phone, open the Vantros 3D Visual Yoga course video. You will notice two screens, indicating a 3D side-by-side format. Insert the phone into the VR device, aligning the center divider with the center line of the video. Adjust the phone to centered. The pull rod on top of the VR device must be pushed in to make the sun visor adhere to the phone screen. The lens group is adjustable for focus. After adjustment, you should find the video very clear. If you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, it means the focus needs further tuning. Make sure to wear the VR device facing upward. Once adjusted, you can start watching the video. Apart from the Vantros 3D Visual Yoga course, you can also search for 3D videos on YouTube, Douyin, TikTok, Bilibili, and Kuaishou. Simply input the keywords 3D SBS to access a vast library of 3D content.